Hey, this is Gabriel from exoticwoodpen.com. I just bought this dent puller here, and it came with this and the little tabs. I think it was $45. I saw an ad on Facebook, and then it was $10 extra for 5 of these 10-inch glue sticks. I cut one of these in half already, and I got it heating up in the glue gun. According to the directions, you're supposed to soak these in alcohol, let them dry, 95% alcohol. I was only able to find 91%, so I'm hoping that will work. And I used a generic squirt bottle that I had with something else I cleaned out with alcohol before I put more fresh alcohol back in here. And then I'm just using this as a plastic scraper to remove it. I saw this on Amazon probably about 2 weeks after I bought this, and it was a complete kit with everything for probably about $10 less. So if you see the ad on Facebook and you're contemplating it, go to Amazon instead and check it out there. I think you'll see that it's a much better bargain. But anyway, we'll go ahead and affix one of these to the truck. It's a real small dent, so I'm just going to use one of these small ones and check it out and see how it looks. According to the instructions that came, you're supposed to use a pea-sized dab on this, and you're supposed to clean the dent area with the alcohol also. So I'll clean that, let that dry, put the glue dab on here, put it on there, and that's supposed to sit for 5 minutes. And then we'll use the mechanism here to pull that dent out, and we'll see how it goes. So one of the things that I need to mention also was that the glue sticks, the 10-inch glue sticks, I cut them in half, one of them in half, and actually by the time you end up using the glue stick and the glue gun, I should have just left it in one whole piece, because by the time this got in there, this is like about a 4-inch piece, and by the time this got inside the glue and started to melt, I actually had to use the other half to get in here and push it down. But anyway, these are the same dimension as a regular glue stick, so any glue gun would be able to work if it's the same size as this. I think these are about a 1/2-inch diameter. So anyway, hope that is a little bit more information. Let's see. So right here is the dent. Kind of hard to see with the phone. So here is the other dent, and from an angle it's kind of hard to see. This is another dent right here. It's kind of a long dent. Probably have to put a couple of tabs all the way across to see what that's like. So I'm putting a dab here. Okay, I've got one, let's see, two dents there, and then there's this other one here on the bottom. I got 4 tabs on that. We'll just let those cure, and then we'll put the tool on it and see what happens. Okay, so I got this on, and according to this, all I got to do is just give it a couple pull. It just popped on its own, and then let me spray that and see how that looks. Okay, I'm going to spray it with that spray of mine, with just the alcohol, and then this is supposed to just lift right off. little bit of scrape, a little. Well, it's a lot better than what it was. You can barely see anything. I may do it one more time. As you can see, barely something, but not much at all. Let's see what the other ends look like. Okay, this is the other dent. It just popped loose. That peeled some paint right off there. I don't think that's very good. Okay, well, we'll just go to the grand finale over here to all these other tabs and see what those look like. Okay. That actually did okay. Let's see if I can get it to pull out though. Oops. That really pulled the dent out on that one. Probably gonna have to soak these in alcohol to get rid of that stuff in there. It doesn't say that in the instructions, but I'm sure that's the only way that's gonna come off. Okay. That really Okay, second time around using this, from what I had in the actual video, was that I noticed that the tab, using the pull tab here with the glue on it, if there's a little bit of a gap there, a little more than 1/16 of an inch, if you put this on the tool and you leave a gap underneath it so that there's that play, so that when you squeeze it, it actually allows more flex in the metal versus when you have it seated at the bottom and tensioned all the way, using this adjustment knob on top, and that's seated all the way at the bottom, and you just try pulling it, it just pulls this tab right off. It needs a little bit of slack in there on the bottom, so that seemed to work a lot better. And then the other thing was I had let all those tabs soak in alcohol, and I let it soak for a couple days, and that adhesive did not come off, the hot glue. So I ended up using the tip from a cheap protractor or compass. And anyway, I ended up just using this to just dig the glue out of the holes like such. And it took a little while to clear out all of these, but it did work. So now these are, and then I soaked them again in alcohol and scrubbed them off. So now that these can be reused. Anyway, hope the video helps someone out there. Have a good day.